We are learning QA fundamentals, and today we'll see some of the DML commands, data manipulation language, that's in a MySQL. And I have already set up the MySQL here. So in an item from the Docker, so we have installed the Docker, and that's also running. So if you have not done the setup, then you can watch the previous videos in the QA fundamentals playlist, and then you can come back here. Yeah, so we can run the MySQL from here, or we can use the MySQL workbench. So let's try MySQL workbench also. Schemas, and then in a empdb we have the tables, employee. So we'll see the few queries, how to see the data inside this. So like, let's say inside employee, this is the query, select all from empdb employee, and you can see there is a one record. And emp address, you can see there are two records here. So if you want to see the data from the both tables, because the both are related. In employee, if you see the employee ID is one Hari, and the one employee ID has the two address here. So if you want to see the both of these together, so we need some kind of the join. So let's say I'm using like select all from first one is the employee table. So this database is empdb.employee, and I can say some short name like E for the employee. So I can use the E later in the conditions, so then I do not have to type whole things employee. So that is the alias. Select from employee E, and also comma, we have to give empdb.emp address, and then for emp address we can say ea. And now we can have the condition where e means employee, and for the employee there is a emp id. So id, so the field is id. You can go here and check in employee columns, there is id. So where eid is equal to the id is this emp id in address table, so we can use that one. So ea for emp address, and then we can say the emp id and semicolon. So if you run this, we'll see the record from the both of the tables. So id 1 and the Hari, and we can see the Hari twice here because we have the two address of the Hari. So this is the query to see the data from the both of the tables. And also sometime like you want to see the data in some order, like let's say the Colorado Denver is a CT. You want to see first Denver and then Colorado in some order, then we can say select all from emp address where, or not of where, but you can say ASC for ascending order and DSC for the descending order. DSC address, so select from emp address. So that's we can use that query here, and you can select, we can see the descending order or ascending order. So let's say address, so this is there are few, and there are many things we can see. The syntax, we can like search here, like select. If you forget, then select MySQL select DSC descending, then we can see the here, like we can see the order by and the column name, and this is DESC for descending. So I was just looking for this one, DESC. So let me use that. So order is a DESC, but which field you want to sort? So order by which table is, it's a city, and then DESC. Run it. You can see the Denver, Colorado. If you want to delete some of the record, you can delete also. So we need a separate query for that. Delete. And in a delete, we do not have to give the star. So delete from the table is this. So I can copy the table here. EMP ID. If you give the EMP ID 1, then both records will be deleted, because we need to give some unique thing. So this ID, let's say 1, I want to delete the 1. So here ID equal to 1 and run it. So you can see here delete from this table, and it's a green tick mark. So one row selected and it's got deleted. So this time if you select again, you will see just only one record. So these are the few queries we saw here in MySQL, and there are many other queries also here. So this is the basic. So once you get the confidence from here, then you can search in the internet and you can learn the MySQL queries in a detail. So there can be the different courses for the MySQL. Also, when you start working, you'll, based on the scenario, you can prepare the query and you can learn the different query. So this is all the basic stuff of the DDL and the DML commands. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.